this particular circuit using PMOS and NMOS. This is logic gates using PMOS and NMOS. Static CMOS logic. This is static CMOS logic, and here if you see, this is A into B whole bar, this is A plus B whole bar, which is nothing but NOR operation, and this is nothing but NAND operation. First circuit is NAND operation and the second circuit is NOR operation. Second circuit is NOR operation. Okay. So if you see here, concentrate on NMOS transistors. Concentrate on NMOS transistors. If they come one beside the other, if they come NMOS transistors one beside the other, it is just addition. Okay. So face to face, one beside the other, if the NMOS transistors are present, something like this. We are connecting their drain points, connecting their source points. Okay, this is first NMOS, NMOS A, and this is second NMOS, NMOS B, and the bottom point should be grounded. Okay, this is A plus B, A plus B. If you want complement of this, you have to put PMOS logic on the top, opposite to this. This is one beside the other. So you should put PMOS transistors one below the other. Okay. In NAND gate, what we have done? In NAND gate, what we have done? So two NMOS transistors, one below the other. Two NMOS transistors, one below the other. Okay. This is NMOS A. This is NMOS B. Two transistors, NMOS, one below the other. Bottommost point we are grounding. This is nothing but multiplication. If you take this combination is nothing but multiplication, you will be taking output at this point. You will be taking output at this point. Okay, always output will be taken at this point, F. And this F is nothing but A into B. And here you are taking the output. This F is nothing but A plus B. This F is nothing but A plus B. And these are gate points. These are gate points where you will be giving the inputs. These are gate points where you will be giving the inputs. Okay. And if you want invert of this, AB whole bar means you have to put PMOS, but opposite of this. Okay. NMOS is one below the other. So PMOS you will be putting one beside the other. So finally, what you should remember is NMOS transistors, okay, side by side, it is A plus B. NMOS transistors, one below other, it is A into B. If you want complement, then you have to use PMOS transistors also. So this point you have to remember. I'm going with the next circuit. So if you see here, right side, I will take right side, the transistors. This is first circuit. Okay, this is circuit 1. This is circuit 1. This is second circuit 2. In first circuit, so A, then you are having two transistors, NMOS transistors, one below the other. Below the other means B into C. One below the other means B into C. And you are having A beside to this combination, so A plus B into C. Okay. In the second circuit, if you see, B and C are one beside the other. So B plus C, and A is above this combination, so A into B plus C. This is from the second circuit. Okay. Now the expression is given. Output expression is given here. Below the circuit itself, expression is given. I am going to next circuit. The question is AB plus CD whole bar. AB plus CD whole bar. First we are trying to design, okay, AB plus CD. So addition means one below the other. So this combination will give AB and this combination will give CD. And they are one beside the other. They are beside each other. So AB plus CD. AB plus CD. This entire circuit is, okay, circuit is AB plus CD. So left side portion, this portion is, left side portion is A into B, right side portion is C into D. They are one beside the other, so AB plus CD. And the question is AB plus CD whole bar, AB plus CD whole bar. This is step 1 where you have to design without bar. Okay. With step 2, this is step 2, what you are going to design, the previous output, whatever you got, you want whole bar means complement you have to get it. Okay. You have to make invert of the entire thing. So 4 NMOS transistors are there in step 1. You have to add 4 PMOS transistors in order to get that invert operation. So for AB, you use PMOS transistors. AB, you use PMOS transistors, but here AB is connected one below the other. You have to connect AB one beside the other. Okay. And here CD, you are connecting one below the other. You have to connect CD PMOS transistors one beside the other. Okay. What you are going to note down here in this circuit, what you are going to note down here, NMOS transistors AB one below the other, one below the other. So PMOS transistors AB should be one beside the other, one beside the other. So similarly, NMOS transistors, if you see CD, they are one below the other. You want invert, that's why PMOS is used. Otherwise, PMOS is not at all required. Okay. So in PMOS, for getting inversion, you have to put them one beside the other. Okay, one beside the other. This entire thing is for this circuit. This entire thing is followed for the circuit. In step 1, without invert we are getting. In step 2, this output is nothing but AB plus CD whole bar. AB plus CD whole bar. Okay, this is our final output. This is our final output. That is the question given. Now I am going to the next circuit. I am going to the next circuit. If you see A plus B plus C, okay, 3 NMOS you have to put one beside the other. A plus B plus C, 3 NMOS you have to put one beside the other. And then D is there. D, 1 NMOS you have to put above this combination. You see here three transistors A, B, C, one beside the other. Okay, this will give A plus B plus C. You are putting 1D above this combination, so D into, okay, D into A plus B plus C. Because the question has invert operation, you have to use complementary MOS also. For each NMOS, there should be one PMOS. For each NMOS, there should be one PMOS. Here you are connecting 3 PMOS one beside the other. So 3 NMOS one beside the other. So you take 3 PMOS, you put them one below the other. Okay. And you are connecting D above this. So you put D beside this. Okay, this is the upper part of the circuit only to get invert operation, whole bar, you are connecting this entire thing. And the bottom one is nothing but without invert operation, A plus B plus C into D, that will be obtained from the bottom circuit, okay, lower half of the circuit. This is about expression. This is about how to go with expression, CMOS static, CMOS logic, static CMOS logic, how to get the expression, from expression how to draw the circuit. This is about static CMOS logic for given expression. Any expression given, how to draw the circuit. Okay.